Namaskara friends. Welcome to Think Bangalore. In this video, we bring to you to Sri Chamundeshwari Basavappa Kshetra, Govda Gere, Channapattana. Situated in the quaint village of Govda Gere in Channapattana, the Chamundeshwari Basavappa Kshetra is approximately a 90-minute drive from Bangalore. This serene temple is a perfect weekend getaway, offering a spiritual retreat away from the hustle and bustle of city life. The temple complex houses a museum showcasing village traditions. This museum is a treasure trove of artifacts and exhibits that depict the rich cultural heritage of the region. Entry to the museum is free for children up to the age of 15, while adults are charged a nominal fee of ₹50. It's an educational and enlightening experience for visitors of all ages. One of the main attractions of this temple is the mammoth statue of Chamundeshwari made of 5 metals, which has recently been entered into the Book of Records. This impressive statue is a testament to the temple's spiritual significance and artistic craftsmanship, drawing visitors from near and far. As you enter the temple, you'll spot the sanctums for Chamundeshwari goddess idol and Basva. These sanctums are the focal points for devotees who come to seek blessings and immerse themselves in prayer. A unique practice at this temple is the Harke ritual, where devotees tie a coconut at the temple to seek blessings for their wishes. This age-old tradition reflects the deep-rooted faith and devotion of the temple's visitors. The temple is open for darshan from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m., providing ample time for devotees to offer their prayers. A variety of sevas are conducted at the temple, including Abhisheka, Kukumarchane, Pushparchane, Madlakki, Belli Deepa, Lemon Deepa, Jaggeri Aarti, Thade against evils on Amavasya and Purnima days, special Chakra Puja on Bhimana Amavasya, Khi Deepam. These sevas offer devotees a chance to participate in sacred rituals and enhance their spiritual experience. Another major attraction is the Basva bull. It is believed that devotees who pray silently with bhakti about their wishes will see the bull nod its head if their wishes are to be fulfilled. This mystical belief adds an element of wonder and hope for the devotees. The temple complex is well equipped with ample parking space, ensuring a hassle-free visit for those traveling by car. Additionally, there are several shops selling snacks, cool drinks, and fast food, providing refreshments for visitors. The temple also offers a free lunch in the form of dasoha, promoting the spirit of community and service. With its spiritual significance, cultural heritage, and convenient amenities, Chamundeshwari Basavappa Kshetra is an ideal weekend destination for families and friends. Whether you're seeking divine blessings, cultural enrichment, or a peaceful retreat, this temple offers a fulfilling and memorable experience. Plan your visit to Chamundeshwari Basavappa Kshetra and immerse yourself in its divine ambience. It's a journey that promises spiritual growth, cultural insights, and cherished memories with your loved ones. Do visit this spot and share with us your experience. If you liked this video, share a like and subscribe to our YouTube, Instagram and Facebook channels. Visit our website thinkbangalore.com for much more interesting destinations. Thank you for watching this video.